Hello and welcome to I for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Recurrent Neural Networks, RNNs, Understanding Sequential Data like Text and Time Series. Imagine a robot that remembers everything it's seen or heard. That's kind of what an RNN is. Unlike regular neural networks that process data independently, RNNs have a memory that allows them to process sequential data, like sentences or stock prices. Where order matters. Think of it like reading a book, where understanding each word relies on the previous words. Let's explore examples of sequential data. A sentence. The quick brown fox jumps. A time series. Daily stock prices. Or even music notes. The key here is that the order of elements significantly impacts the meaning or value of the sequence. Shuffling a sentence alters its meaning. Reordering stock prices changes the analysis. This memory is implemented as loops within the network. Each loop takes the previous output and feeds it back as input to the next step. This lets the RNN maintain a context from the previous data points, building a cumulative understanding. Let's visually explore a basic RNN. We won't delve into complex equations, but you'll see how data flows through the network with hidden states representing the memory at each step. A developer would use libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch to build this. RNNs shine in various fields. In natural language processing, NLP, they power chatbots, machine translation, and sentiment analysis. For time series, they're used for forecasting stock prices, weather patterns, and more. These applications directly benefit from RNN's understanding of sequence. While powerful, basic RNNs struggle with long sequences. Think of remembering a sentence that's incredibly long. It's hard to retain context from the beginning to the end. This is where more advanced RNN architectures like LSTMs and GRUs come in. LSTMs, long short-term memory, and GRUs, gated recurrent units, are improved RNN types designed to handle long sequences better. They incorporate gates to control the flow of information, making them better at remembering relevant information and forgetting irrelevant details from longer sequences. We will show a simple code snippet using a popular library like PyTorch to demonstrate a basic RNN implementation. This will offer practical, hands-on experience for developers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.